Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? MAIA. Okay, well, again, races. It kept winning races after race after race. But more importantly, if you're in the room on Friday, you take a look at this MGAM. Okay, this was an IPO on Friday, went absolutely crazy. This is something I actually held and got all the way up to $20. The IPO price was about $5. And as what happened is MAIA, which was an IPO on Thursday, kind of a delayed reaction, okay, to that MJAM. I just think traders are now getting interested in these really, really cheap IPOs with not very many shares and cheap IPO prices. And so when that hit 740 is when I pounced on it. Now I would be watching BRSH. BRSH comes out on Wednesday. It has a very similar setup in terms of the number of shares outstanding that they're releasing and the share price. So keep an eye on this. We're in sort of that market perhaps. All right, want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.